I'd also like to say there's a threat in the world today. A threat to our way of living, a threat to our existence, maybe even a threat to our very way of life. What is this threat? The Esquimalt cartel. Get drunk and get taken home by the cops. We'll continue this note later.
You can suck my thumb.
So, chap, I heard you want to rape E.T. Like that shit. Oh, look at that smile.
Of course I'm gonna smile, man. If I don't smile, no one else will smile. Everyone needs to smile, man.
Come on, say something for the camera. Something for the camera. Yeah, like it. Fuck, man. I just want to pass this camera to somebody while I beat the piss out of you. You're kind of annoying me. Like, say something, man. Look at that. Hey. Because it can happen to you. You suck till I die. Oh, that's for those 3D people out there.
I'll get naked if one girl gets naked.
Oh, fuck.
I'm down if one girl gets naked.
Just consider me a girl. Let's get naked.
You guys are better.
Hey, where are you? Where are you trying to go? You're the center of attention, bro.
He comes across and doesn't like him.
Oh, it's Krista.
What are you doing now?
Come on, show some cleavage. Cleavage. Here we go, widen. Oh, up close and personal. I'll back up. Just calm down.
Don't ever tell her.
Charlie, just calm down. Like the joint? Oh, just pass it out here. There, I see it now.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
The hoot.
Oh,
Let me have a hootie.
A hootie. Look at those bigs. Those are bigs like nobody else. I zoomed up so close to you there. No,
I'm a bet for you.
do it again for me, bro.
I'm gonna do shit for you.
Oh, fuck you and your god.
I was just about to say that. I was like, Andrew, what's up, big guy?
Oh, and
You're a big guy.
zoom into Chev.
Hey, it's football. That was my guy.
Guard, bust a freestyle, man, for the video, man. Yo.
Somebody
Both
bust the
of you.
beatbox.
Yo. I'll try to kick the beatbox.
I'm gonna be quiet. I'm not busting shit. I'll bust the beatbox. I'll kick the beatbox. I'll listen.
Yep, come on, man.
Coherent, concise.
What, man? You think somebody's gonna see this and be like, oh my god, Jibber is so drunk? Good, man. That's what we want them to think. So just fucking bust on the mic.
Is that what you want?
That's what I want.
Is that what you want?
That's what I want.
That's what you want from me?
Just bust it. Bust it. I want the break. Meow. Come on, guys. Like, seriously. Zoom in on Gert. He freestyles anytime, but he won't in front of the camera. Come on, man. I busted some shit.
What's a freestyle?
Yeah.
Wow, Terry be the commentator.
I hate some.
That was me.
It was him, the man that was named